Here's something that will change how you look at your car forever. The Apollo 11 mission that landed humans on the moon ran on 145,000 lines of code. Your modern car? 100 million lines. That's 700 times more software than it took to reach the moon. Why does a machine that drives you to work need more code than a spacecraft? Your car isn't a mechanical machine anymore. It's a network of computers on wheels. Right now, there are between 50 and 100 small computers inside your car. Each one controls something different. One manages the engine, one controls the brakes, one monitors the battery, one detects if you're about to crash. They all talk to each other thousands of times per second through a network called the CAN bus. Your car has more computing power than most offices had in the year 2000. But not all software is equal. Some code controls your playlist. If it crashes, you lose your music. Annoying. Some code controls your brakes. If it crashes, you die. For the brake software, engineers follow a strict rule called ASIL-D. The system is only allowed to fail once per 1 billion hours of operation. To achieve this, engineers write the same code twice on 2 separate processors. They check each other's work constantly. If they ever disagree, the system shuts down safely. That alone doubles the amount of code. But 100 million lines of code means 100 million potential doors. In 2015, 2 researchers hacked a Jeep Cherokee while it was driving at 110 kilometers per hour on a highway. From their laptop, miles away. They cut the engine. The driver had no control. This is why, since 2022, every new car sold in Europe must pass a cybersecurity standard called ISO 21434. More protection, more code, more complexity. A spaceship is operated by trained astronauts in a controlled environment. Your car is operated by anyone, tired, distracted, in rain and fog, sharing the road with children and cyclists. And it makes life or death decisions in under 200 milliseconds, automatically. That's why it needs 100 million lines of code. Simple to use, insane to build. Next week, how your airbag decides whether to fire in those 200 milliseconds before impact. Subscribe, you won't want to miss it.